In the ever-evolving world of kitchen gadgets, this Yiuokaei Portable Blender stands out as a top choice for those who demand both power and convenience. This 21-aughts personal juicer is designed to blend seamlessly into your active lifestyle, whether you're at home, at the office, at the gym, or traveling. Let's dive into the details of what makes this blender a must-have for smoothie enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. The Yiuokaei Portable Blender is not just another compact blender. It packs a punch with its 280-watt motor and 6 stainless steel blades. Spinning at an impressive 18,000 RPM, this blender is more than capable of handling tough ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables. Whether you're craving a creamy smoothie, a frothy milkshake, or a nutritious baby food puree, the Yiuokaei delivers in just 30 seconds. This power translates into smooth and consistent blends, making it an excellent choice for preparing everything from breakfast smoothies to post-workout protein shakes. The efficiency of the blender ensures that you get the perfect texture every time, whether you're blending soft fruits or more challenging ingredients like leafy greens. One of the standout features of the Yiuokaei Portable Blender is its 21-aughts capacity bottle, which is crafted from BPA-free materials. This sizable bottle is perfect for making larger batches of your favorite beverages, while still being compact enough to fit easily into your bag or car cup holder. Its sleek design and lightweight construction make it an ideal choice for anyone on the go. The travel-friendly design includes a secure lid and a range of accessories such as a leather handle and a silicone straw, making it incredibly easy to enjoy your smoothies and shakes wherever you are. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a long road trip, this blender is built to accompany you every step of the way. In today's tech-savvy world, USB-C charging has become the standard for quick and efficient power. The Yiuokaei Portable Blender supports USB-C charging, allowing you to recharge it using a variety of devices, including mobile power supplies, laptops, cars, or wall adapters. This feature ensures that you can keep your blender charged and ready for action, no matter where you are. The 4,000 mAh large battery is another highlight, offering a long-lasting charge that can handle multiple blending sessions before needing a recharge. This powerful battery ensures you won't be left without your favorite drink, even on the busiest of days. The Yiuokaei Portable Blender is designed to offer multiple blending modes, including pulse and blend settings. This versatility allows you to customize your blending experience based on what you're preparing. Whether you want a quick pulse for a chunky texture or a thorough blend for a smooth, creamy consistency, this blender adapts to your needs. The ability to switch between different modes makes it easy to prepare a wide range of recipes, from thick smoothies and shakes to lighter baby food and delicate sauces. This flexibility adds significant value, making the blender a versatile tool in your kitchen arsenal. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift for a health-conscious friend or family member, the Yiuokaei Portable Blender is a superb choice. It comes with a variety of accessories, including a travel lid, ice molds, a cup brush, and a USB-C charging cable. Additionally, the 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer service provide peace of mind and ensure that your gift is not only practical, but also reliable. The inclusion of these extras enhances the overall value of the blender, making it a practical and stylish gift for anyone who enjoys healthy living and convenient kitchen tools. Conclusion: why the Yiuokaei Portable Blender is a must-have. The Yiuokaei Portable Blender combines power, portability, and versatility in a sleek and modern design. Its ability to handle tough ingredients, combined with its travel-friendly features and USB-C charging, makes it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their blending experience. Whether you're blending at home or on the go, this blender offers everything you need to enjoy fresh and nutritious beverages with ease. With its powerful motor, large battery, and versatile blending modes, the Yiuokaei Portable Blender stands out as a top contender in the world of personal blenders. It's not just a blender, it's a reliable partner for your health and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.